How many gallons of a 60% antifreeze solution must be mixed with 100 gallons of a 25% antifreeze to get a mixture that's 50% antifreeze? Use the 6-step method. I guess I've just been drawing this kind of picture here. We want to figure out how much of a 60% solution to mix with 100 gallons of a 25% solution, then up with a 50% solution, and the amount will be the sum here, x plus 100. Then you just need to come up with the equation, 0.60x plus 0.25 times 100 will equal 0.50 times x plus 100. So, you just take the percent of the amount, and that's how much antifreeze you have. Now you just need to solve this equation here. Hope this helps.